Think you've left it too late to build wealth? Well, you haven't. Doesn't matter whether you are 25, 35, 45, 85. It's never too late to create your financial freedom. And we're going to talk about that today. My name is Tracy Montgomery, and I can help you rebuild your wealth. So we have this myth, too many women have this myth, that if you didn't start saving in your 20s, then that's it, you're doomed. It's over and done with. That's our lot. So many of you watching this are going to be boomers, you're going to be Gen X, you're going to have left school and been told you're going to go into this job, you're going to stay in this job for 40, 45 years, you're going to retire. Yeah, we were even sold the myth that we were going to retire at 60. What happened to that one? And that's your lot. Okay. Now, some of you may have stayed in that same position. Some of you, like myself, may have swapped around and done different careers. So there's versatility there. It's not too late to start building on what you've got. Now, in our last video, we looked at ways to know if you need to do something about your pension pot. So the first thing we need to do is to look at where we're at. We need to know where we're starting from. We need to know if we need to do something about it. So traditionally, there is this, for us, boomers, Gen X, we were fed into this narrative that you're going to pay into this for your working life, and at the end, and we're going to get this pension, and now this pension has changed. What we were told when we were at school, about to leave school, heading out into the work environment, is not what we've got now. And we already know from the previous videos that there's this pension gap. We know there's a pay gap, so there's going to be a pension gap. And there's a pension gap because women are traditionally the caregivers. Women traditionally take the time off, take the time out. So that means that there is less going into the pension pot. But time is not necessarily your enemy. There are ways that you can increase your pension pot. We've discussed that. We've looked at that. Yeah, if you've got the funds, you can put more in. And I know that some of you are going to be thinking, oh, I'll get a second job. Well, yeah, you can get a second job, but you don't necessarily have to swap time for pennies. That's still limiting, isn't it? There are different ways that you can have money coming in. So let's think about that. Think about the fact that looking at your pension pot and going, that's me, that's all I've got, it's going to leave you with, that's you, that's all you've got. Looking at your pension pot and going, what can I do about this, is going to make a difference. That's your starting point. Looking to make a difference. You deserve it. You deserve more. You deserve that luxury life. You deserve to go where you want to go. You deserve to buy those designer goods. Nobody's saying otherwise, apart from you. To change your narrative, do something. You just need to do something. Doesn't matter what it is. You just need to do something. Now, you can invest into things other than just your traditional pension. There's so many things out there. What I would like to talk to you about is how you can have that lifestyle that you deserve, going the places that you want to go, visiting parts of the world that you want to visit, doing it in luxury, being able to buy those designer goods, doing it in a community. That's what I want to talk to you about. So stay with me, drop a like below, drop a I'm ready in the comments, and get ready for the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.